Hey there, my name is Mark Perizzaro and I am the owner and chief operator of AgDrone Concepts. AgDrone Concepts is a Placer County-based aerial spraying and seeding service, helping farmers save time, money, reduce chemical waste, reach hard-to-access fields, and boost your crop yields with drone technology. We work with both conventional and organic farms, offering tailored solutions to support healthy, sustainable crop growth. Whether you run a large-scale operation, manage a few acres, or consider yourself a homesteader or hobby farmer, our equipment can scale up or down to fit your needs to deliver precision applications of pesticides, fungicides, fertilizers, and other nutrient treatments. Need to seed cover crops, restore pastures, or seed slope terrain for erosion control? We can do that too with unmatched speed and coverage. And as fire seasons grow longer, drones are becoming essential for wildfire prevention. Drones can offer a safe, fast, and effective way to prepare your lands before wildfires strike. With AgDrone Concepts, you get more than just a drone. You get a local partner committed to maximizing your yield and protecting your investment. Thanks for checking us out. Let's take your farm to new heights. If you'd like to learn more about AgDrone Concepts and how drone technology can benefit you, then check out our Facebook page or contact us directly by phone or email. We would be happy to answer any of your questions, and we can even offer a live demonstration.